Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you join me here today in the sought-after village of Radford Semele, short drive into Leamington Spa, where we have this absolutely stunning 5-bedroom executive home. It's got plenty of parking, it's got a beautifully landscaped rear garden, and inside we've got a wonderful dressing room, open plan living, dining area, and also a home cinema. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you'd like more information, please contact me on the details at the end of the video. Thank you for watching.